Hi, I'm Ace, your tutor at UScore Academy. Let's learn 10% and 1% together, step by step. Welcome to percentages. Here's the first key. 10% means 1 out of 10. So to find 10% of a number, just divide by 10. The easy way is to slide the decimal point one place to the left. 10% of 60 is 6. Look at the bar. One of the 10 equal chunks is shaded, and that's 10%. Here's the second key. 1% means 1 out of 100, so to find 1%, divide by 100. That's sliding the decimal point 2 places to the left this time. 1% of 300 is 3. These two facts, 10% and 1%, are the building blocks for every percent trick coming this week. Let's do one together. To find 10% of 80, divide by 10 and get 8. To find 1% of 80, divide by 100 and get 0.8. Here's a neat check. 10% should always be 10 times bigger than 1%, and 8 really is 10 times 0.8. Now you try a money one. A book costs $45 and you want 10% of it. Divide by 10 by sliding the decimal one place left. $45 becomes $4.50. Nice and quick. So here's the whole idea. For 10%, divide by 10. For 1%, divide by 100. And one quick sanity check. 10% is always smaller than the number you started with. So if your answer looks bigger, slide that decimal the other way. Master these two keys, and tomorrow you'll build any percent you like. Great work! Keep practicing with Ace at uscoreacademy.com for free lessons, worked examples, and practice.